Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Terry, and you're watching Bijou Qui Brill. I'm a YouTuber based in Accra, Ghana, and also a professional hairstylist. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I installed this new 613 lace frontal wig using adhesive. I'm not quite sure which one I'm going to use right now, but I have bold hold and I also have ghost bond, so let's just see what happens. Here's my braiding pattern. So first of all, here's a video of the wig I'm going to be installing. And I'm also doing the bald cap method. I have a detailed video on how to do the bald cap method, so I'll link it in the cards up above me. Everything is quite simple. It's easy to understand just by watching. So I clean my skin using 91% alcohol. Then I went in with my Ghost Bond glue. Yes, I finally decided to use Ghost Bond, and I applied 3 layers, and I used my blow dryer to go in to make sure that it dries clear before I can apply my wig. This wig is available now on my shop. I'll leave a link description box down below, so if you're interested, just email me and I'll get back to you. Why not? This wig is gonna be bomb. A little backstory on these wigs. If you know me, you know how much I hate sitting down to get braids done, spending hours and hours sitting down. So I made this wig by myself from scratch because I want to make life easier, not just for myself but for everybody who loves getting braids like me and doesn't have enough time to sit down and wait like me. So I go in with my blow dryer for at least 30 to 45 minutes to make sure that everything is completely dried down. Please don't miss this step. If you do, your wig is definitely not gonna stay taut. After I take off my scarf, you be the judge. I like the results that I got. It looks so flawless. It looks so good. Oh my god, I love it so much. I mean, look at how natural the pattern looks. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I can't wait to rock this wig, and I'd love to know what you guys think. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you've ever tried a braided wig before. Let me know if you like this wig, and let me know if you want me to do a giveaway. 13 by 4, yeah, I think a 13 by 4 frontal, but you can get a 13 by 6 or a full lace wig version of this wig. This wig is 40 inches long. I mean, can you see how full and how long this wig is? It took ages to do, but the result was totally worth it. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be here same time next week. Oh, and before I forget, turn on your notification after you subscribe so that you don't miss another video or you don't miss any of my videos, because you would have missed something really, really big. Thank you so much.